Greetings viewers, welcome back to the channel. In today's video, we are back on the Subaru BRZ Premium Project Car. In today's video, we are finally going to be servicing our rear differential gear oil. This is a crucial service you want to perform every 3 years or 36,000 miles for the optimal health of your rear differential. With that said, let's go ahead and get into the service. So guys, this is a very simple DIY friendly service. All we're gonna need for this service is 2 quarts of Subaru Genuine High Performance 75W90 gear oil. We're gonna need our crush washers for our fill and drain plug, part numbers as shown. We're gonna need a ratchet and a 10mm hex socket. And we're gonna need some kind of pump or fluid syringe to put the gear oil into the side of the differential, as you can't just pour it in there. Now, big thank you to SubaruPartsDeals.com for sending out the rear differential gear oil and the crush washers for this service. Check out SubaruPartsDeals.com, your online retailer for genuine Subaru parts. Easy to navigate website. You can search by model, year, and trim, or you can simply type in your VIN number to easily find the parts you need for your Subaru. Or you can shoot them a call or an email, and their staff will be glad to help you figure out what parts you need for your DIY Subaru repair projects. As a big thanks to you viewers, SubaruPartsDeals.com has offered up a promo code Mr. Subaru in all caps, good for 15% off shipping of your order. SubaruPartsDeals.com, a Subaru Genuine certified seller of parts for your Subaru vehicle. Anytime you get ready to do any repair on your Subaru, check them out, price them out. They got some of the best prices out there on Subaru genuine parts. So guys, under the car, we've got it jacked up and supported on jack stands. You want the car to be even and level before doing this, because to get a proper reading of your gear oil level, the vehicle has to be level. So quick and easy, this is your fill plug, this is your drain plug. Both are a 10mm hex. You want to open up your fill plug before you open up your drain plug. If you open up your drain plug and find you can't get your fill plug open, you are in trouble, because now you can't put gear oil back in your rear differential. So our drain plug looks very good. Our fill plug looks a bit stripped out, so probably gonna have to go get my Mac RBRT sockets or Grip Edge RPT sockets to get that out. All right, fully seated. Oh man, guys, it does not have to be that tight. That is insane. Can I get my socket back out of here now? That's the thing about the Mac RBRT or Grip Edge RPT sockets. They really grab on when they grab. I think we got her to break loose. There we do. Alrighty. So yeah, guys, you don't have to tighten it that much. All right. All right, so there we go. We get our fill plug out. Set that to the side. And pull our drain plug out, hopefully not as tight. And it is just as tight. Luckily, this one hasn't been partially rounded. Oh, man. All right, so we'll get our drain plug out and just let all the gear oil drain out of our differential. Hopefully there's no metal chunks or metal surprises. Drain plug is very clean. We don't see much of any buildup on it.
and our gear oil is pretty clean coming out. So likely it was serviced not too long ago. But since I don't know the service history of the car, we're gonna go ahead and replace it anyway. So while that's clearing out, draining out, we will go and clean up our fill and drain plug with some brake parts cleaner and a rag, and get ready to pop our new crush washers on there. All right, guys, now the gear oil has finished draining out. We'll give it a quick little spray off and wipe it down. And we will put our drain plug back into place with the new crush washer installed on it. Thread it in. Another quick little spray off. Wipe it down. And we will be torquing it to 49 Newton meters. And 49 Newton meters. Again, you don't need to put the gorilla strength on it, and round it out like the previous individual did. So now all we got to do is take our fluid syringe and start pumping our gear oil in through the fill hole here, just until it starts to dribble back out. Your fill capacity is just a little over 1 quart. And right there we see it dribbling back out. That means we are full. We can go ahead and put our fill plug in and torque it down to spec with the new crush washer. So new crush washer on the fill plug. Got just a bare dribble coming out. Go ahead and put that back up there. Wipe off our excess. Spray the excess off with brake parts cleaner. Run her down, and again, torque to 49 Newton meters. Now, the factory service manual does state to check the gear oil level again after driving the car. So what you can do is just snug up the fill plug here, start the car on the jack stands, put it in drive, run it a little bit just to agitate that gear oil, stop, put it park, cut it off, and come back and check again, top up if needed. Then torque it down. All right, ran the car a little bit there in drive, just circulate the gear oil, and we'll pull this fill plug out once again. It's now stuck on the socket, and make sure we just got a slight trickle. And we don't, so we need to top up just a little bit. That's why they want you to drive it and check it. And now we're good. Put that fill plug back in. Clean up the spilled gear oil. Just like so. And .49 Newton meter set on the torque wrench. And we're all set and done. Our rear differential gear oil service is complete.
So guys, there you have it. A quick and easy DIY service for your rear differential on your BRZ, GT86, GR86, or FRS. Big thanks once again to SubaruPartsDeals.com for sending out the gear oil and the crush washers for this service. Be sure to check them out for all your Subaru parts needs. Thank you guys so much for watching. Hope you enjoyed the video. I'll see you all in the next one.